So Wyatt sent me this video courtesy of Bodycam USA. This female was drinking in a bar, and she left, went to a car, got behind the steering wheel, and slumped over. The bar personnel got a bit worried, called the cops, and that's what happens. It can be quite a video.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Well, something is going on because you were slumped over.
I'm sitting in my car waiting.
For what?
For nothing.
Okay.
I'm confused as to why someone is concerned about why I'm sitting in my car.
Because
That's a stupid thing to say. Of course they should be concerned about you sitting in the car. They don't know what's wrong with you. Could be sick, could be anything. And cops should check up on you.
you're slumped over and people saw you at the bar for a long period of time.
I'm sitting in my car though. I'm
Okay,
not
here's the
doing
deal.
anything.
Right now, I'm going to explain the law to you. Right now, you're in actual physical control of this vehicle. You're intoxicated. I can tell that. And you can let me finish. Hold that thought. You can be arrested for DUI. So here's your option. A, I want you to give me your driver's license.
No, I'm not driving, so no, I'm not.
I've already explained you the statute. I want your driver's license.
I'm not going to give it to you. Sorry. I'm not doing anything. I'm sitting
Bravo,
in my
2235
car. I'm not
there.
moving. So
By the way, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do so. Give us a like, say hi in the comments, and that does help the channel. Cool. Let's carry on with this lady.
sorry, I'm not going to give you my driver's license.
1069 code 2, please. Shut the car off.
No, I'm not doing.
Give me your driver's license.
I'm not going to.
You're required by law to give me your driver's license right now.
I'm not doing anything.
I don't know why people are like this, but she's busy digging her own hole. Deeper and deeper.
I'm telling you right now, as a law enforcement officer, that you're required by law to give me your driver's license. Don't make this more difficult than it needs to be. Give me your driver's license or go to jail.
I'm not going to jail.
You will if you don't give me your driver's license.
I have done nothing wrong. I'm sitting in a car in a parking lot. I have done nothing wrong. And
you're about to. Give me your driver's license.
About to means nothing. It's not law. Sorry.
It is law.
It is not. About to
okay,
doesn't mean anything.
I'm dressed this way. I have a badge on my uniform.
I get
your
badge.
Okay. So are you trying to tell me that you know the law better than me?
I do. Because
okay, explain the law to me.
About to doesn't mean anything.
Okay, explain the law to me then. Then why you are not required to provide your driver's license as required by Florida statute.
I haven't done anything. So.
Yeah, that's not going to work for her today. She's in Florida. That's not going to work for her today.
I'm going to explain it to you again. You are in actual physical control of this vehicle.
I am not.
You are. You're behind the wheel.
You are.
In a parking
the
lot.
Definition of actual physical control. You have access to the keys, which I just removed from you, and you are in the driver's seat. So give me your driver's license, or this gets much worse for you. Now.
No.
We would like it to get much worse for her. I'm just saying. That's why you're watching these videos.
Sorry, not going to.
If you don't, you're going to end up out of the car in handcuffs. Do you understand?
I do understand.
So give me your driver's license.
I'm not going to.
Okay, that's obstruction. Do you know what obstruction is?
I know.
It's called resisting without violence.
Yeah, I haven't done anything.
I'm giving you a lawful command.
So what you're doing is you have no reason to do anything.
I 100% do.
No, you do not.
Ma'am.
Because I've done nothing.
I have a manager right here who is going to attest to me that you've been at the bar for however long you were here for.
I have not used a vehicle or done anything. I'm sitting in a parking lot.
Actual physical control. I've already said it to you. That's the third time I've said it to you. I'm giving you one more chance to give me your driver's license, and then if not, you're going to get ripped out of the car, put into handcuffs, or Or you could just simply give me your driver's license.
Yeah, I would do that. I wouldn't want to get into handcuffs. But she knows the law, she says, and she's done nothing wrong. We're going to find out who's right and who's wrong here. Very shortly, I think.
Your choice. You want to end up in handcuffs? I have another deputy coming here, and when they get here, you're getting removed. So you either give me your driver's license or you're getting removed from the vehicle. Your choice. Be a grown woman. Yes, then be one. Why are you being difficult with me? I'm simply asking you for your driver's license. That's all I'm asking for. Okay, and I'm...
She has every right to be difficult with you. It's going to cost her, but she has the right to be.
simply asking you for your driver's license. It's a simple request, no?
No.
It's not?
It's not.
Why?
Because I haven't done anything. You have no reason
I've already
to ask
told
for
you.
my license.
This will be the fourth time I'm explaining it to you. Actual physical control of the vehicle when you are clearly under the influence. When I walked up to...
sitting in a parking lot with the
You
vehicle...
are in actual physical control of the vehicle.
With the air conditioner on.
Yes, with the air conditioning on.
Heat. That I'm doing nothing. I'm not driving, nothing.
Did I say you were driving?
Let's take it to court.
Did I say you were driving?
I'm not doing anything with the vehicle.
Did I say you were driving?
I'm sitting in a parking lot, not dying of heat. That's all I'm doing.
You are now because you refuse to listen to me.
Girl, I'm 58 years old. There is no fucking way
Then
you're
you're grown enough to know better.
Yeah, she should have some sense by this time, right? That you would expect from her. Apparently not. She's unique.
53. Who cares? Why does age matter?
It does matter.
Tell me why.
Because you're
Tell me why.
trying to make me feel like that I need to do something that is not.
Oh, I'm telling you, you need to do something.
I do not.
Right now,
Girl.
you're committing
I'm committing nothing.
You're breaking 2 Florida statutes right
I'm
now.
not breaking any Florida
2.
statutes. I've done nothing.
2.
She's an expert at law. So we'll see who's right. We'll see who's right.
Done nothing.
2
Done
Florida
nothing.
statutes.
I've done nothing.
Give me your driver's
No,
license.
done nothing.
All right, so here's what's going to happen. When the other deputy gets here, we're going to take you out of the car, we're going to put you in handcuffs, and then I'm going to get your driver's license anyway.
That'll be fun. So let's do that.
I don't think...
She's feisty. I like that. Not gonna work out well for her though, but she's feisty.
you will enjoy it. Nobody
won't
likes
enjoy
being
it,
in
but you won't
handcuffs.
enjoy it when we go to court. So go ahead, because I haven't done anything.
Why can't you just...
Because I'm sitting in a parking lot. I have done nothing wrong.
I've explained it to you several times now, and the fact that you keep making me explain it just
There's
verifies to
nothing
me
wrong
that
with
you
a
are
human-
in fact intoxicated.
I might be intoxicated, but I've done nothing wrong.
Actual physical control, that's the 5th time.
I have not done anything wrong.
6th time, that's actual physical control, which is a violation.
No,
And you can go to, I'm going to say it to you again, you can go to jail. You're in actual physical control, you are under the influence, and you can go to jail for DUI.
Because I'm
so give me
sitting in a vehicle.
Let me explain something to you.
nothing.
I want you to stop talking, and I want you to listen. I'm willing to let you get a ride home. If you don't, I'm taking you to jail. So give me your driver's license or go to jail. And you will spend at least 8 hours in jail because you are, in fact, under the influence. And you will not go home until at least 8 hours. So give me your driver's license and I will let you get a ride home, and you won't go to jail for obstruction and you won't go to jail for a DUI. This is my last request.
I think the cop is fair. I think she's more than fair. Get out. Give me what I need. Get out. We'll get you a ride. I think that's great from the cop. The woman inside the vehicle doesn't think so. No, she knows better.
Well, I'm going to wait for your guy because I'm sitting in a parking lot. I'm doing nothing.
There you have it.
So
I've already explained it to you 6 times.
I don't
6.
care. It's does not make sense. So I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm sitting in a car. I have not driven. And if you
Get out.
No.
Get out now.
No, ma'am. I am not getting. Ma'am, do not pull me out of the car. Oh my God. This is like YouTube. Stop. Stop.
What's YouTube?
Whatever you're doing, are you crazy?
You're not listening to me, so get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Nope.
All right. She's refusing to get out of the car. She's refusing.
Step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
Why? Are you
Sergeant
gay?
Bell with the Flagler County Sheriff's Office.
For
You're being
what?
placed under arrest. Step out of the vehicle
what?
now.
For what? For
I'll explain
what?
that to you once you're in handcuffs. You understand me? Do not resist.
Oh my God.
What an idiot. What an idiot. Why would you do that to yourself? Blows my mind.
For what?
I've explained it to you 6
Stop
times.
resisting.
Oh my God,
Put your arm back down and relax. Do you hear
am-
what I'm saying?
I am
No,
not
it's
doing
too far.
anything.
Yes. You are pulling away, and that is
I
resisting.
am not doing
Whiskey Foxtrot
anything.
detained this time. I'm gonna lock up the handcuffs so they don't
Turn
pinch
it
up
back
on you.
around. There you go.
Whiskey Foxtrot detained this time.
I don't get why someone would put yourself through such a thing. Why would you do that? I know she's drunk, allegedly. But man, you should have some sort of sense in your head. Why would you put yourself through that?
So they said she's been at the bar for several hours. When they came up to the window, she was slumped over, car running. She's been just not listening the entire time. Asked her to give me her driver's license about, 18 times. And she keeps telling you, no, she's not doing anything wrong. That's where we are right now.
Okay.
I told her, I said, give me your driver's license. We'll get somebody to get you a ride home. And she still refused. Spread your feet for me. Nice and wide. You don't have anything on you that's going to poke me, cut me, stick me,
Turn
hurt me.
around on this car here.
You guys forget. She knows the law. She's done nothing wrong according to her. So that's it. You have to accept that.
Oh no, this car that is so.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, cut me, stick me, hurt me in any way? Did I not warn you that this was going to happen? Did I not say that? Several times? You're going to sit in my car for right now.
Alright, go over here.
Okay. I'm going to start trying to find the driver's license.
Okay.
That's not typical. Getting arrested for being stupid, right? I don't get it. Grown woman. Grown woman.
I'm really confused because I did not leave here. I'm
Okay.
sitting in the car, and she's being very belligerent.
Okay.
And I did not say I was leaving.
Okay.
I'm sitting.
Did she ask you to give her your driver's license?
But I asked her what I had done, which is fair.
Okay.
Um,
Either way, you're in control of the vehicle when she asks you
but
for
I
your
wasn't
driver's
moving.
license. Doesn't matter, you're in control
I
of the
get
vehicle,
it.
ma'am.
I get it. But
Well, you're asking me, and I'm letting you know why.
She doesn't get it. She thinks she's innocent. She thinks the cop is harassing her. That's what it is, right?
She has the right to ask for your driver's license.
I get it. But I'm 58 years old.
Okay.
I have never had anything like this happen to me,
Okay.
ever.
Congratulations, you just did. 100%. 100% your problem. You did it. You did it.
And I'm sitting in a parking lot
Okay.
trying to figure out whether I need to call my son or not,
Okay.
which is what grown-ups do,
Okay.
right?
Well, ma'am, we got calls that you were passed out at the wheel.
But
When
I'm
you're-
sitting in my car, but that's
Okay.
not...
But that is in control of your vehicle, which
But
is
I-
against the law.
No,
if you're intoxicated.
I'm not moving. It
No,
is not.
I mean, if you know more than me, then you're welcome to be your own
but
lawyer.
it's not moving.
Okay,
Then I do
you're in
know.
control of it when you are in there with the keys. All right. So if you would have gave her your driver's license, maybe we would have gone a different route. But when you don't follow our lawful orders, and when you're not compliant with those orders, then this is what happens.
Yep, and it should happen. Kudos to the officer. She did her job.
I explained that to her, that somebody else was going to come here and basically say the same thing that I've already said to her.
I just don't understand, okay?
Well, how many different ways can I explain it to you, though?
And I'm not moving. I'm not doing anything.
This will be the 8th time, because that was the 7th time he just explained it to you. I said, you're behind the driver's...
But I'm not moving or doing anything because I'm a grown-up and deciding, should I do something stupid or not?
You have done something stupid and you're a grown-up. That is true, but you've done something stupid as a grown-up. Hopefully you'll learn. Hopefully you'll learn.
And I decided not to. And that's
And
the
all
difference.
I asked you for was your driver's license,
I
and
don't-
you refused many
Listen,
times.
we're in the 2025, and you know
Yes,
what's
it is.
going on in the world. And
What does that have
I'm
to do with
not,
the price of tea in China? It has nothing to do with it.
No, it does, but okay.
All they're doing, they're being stupid. Think she knows the law better than the cops. How dumb can you be?
An old lady with nothing.
Alright, we're gonna go on that side of the car, okay?
Thank you.
Right.
That's a nice little yellow car there.
My feet are burning too.
Okay, you wanna stand in the shade?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yep.
You're gonna find nothing, and that's wonderful. So,
Okay.
never been handcuffs in my entire life.
Never what?
Been in handcuffs in my entire life.
Well, I guess there's a 1st
I'm
for
almost
everything.
60.
That was a good retort there by the officer. The first for everything. Congratulations. You have now been cuffed.
And I've done nothing wrong but sit in a parking lot because I knew I drank too much and decided to not drive home.
Well, the judge will explain to you what you did wrong. And then you'll probably still won't believe him, right? Hey! Quiet!
And she's attacking me.
She's
For
attacking you?
Well, you sit in a car.
Okay.
What
How
did I
did
do
she
wrong?
attack you?
But what did I do wrong?
How did she attack you?
But what did I do
I
wrong?
asked you first.
Well, I'm in a car.
Okay.
So she came to my car and knocked on my window. So I'm not driving. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. So how's that attacking you?
Well, she ripped me out of the car and
Okay.
said I'm doing something wrong.
So you're in the driver's seat of a vehicle while
With-
intoxicated?
With the car turned off.
Okay. Well,
What
it's
is
called
wrong with
actual
that?
physical control.
Does that make sense?
Makes no sense. It's the law. I don't know what to tell you.
Yeah.
Set.
Mind if I sit?
Yeah, go ahead.
Will you help me? Because I'm gonna fall. Let me just to sit.
You just want to sit?
Yeah.
You want to sit over here more?
I have
That way
back
you're...
issues, just so I can sit down.
Okay. Yeah.
Just hold this
I'll
right
just
hand.
hold your arm.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
This lady is a perfect example of how you cannot have a discussion, a rational discussion, with a drunk person. You can't. They seem to not be able to comprehend what you're saying, and they lock onto something, and they just stick with that. They won't budge from it. Now, when they're sober, they'll look back at it and hopefully say, "Geez, I was dumb right at that point in time." But while they're under influence, you're talking to a brick wall. And this is an example of that, right? She says she's drunk. She's had too much to drink. And she sat behind the wheel of a vehicle. That means you're in control of that vehicle. That's just what it is. Can't get away from that. That is what it is. But no, not her. She doesn't believe that. I think that's the alcohol talking there. Hopefully. Because it's not logic.
My back.
You know if it's 10:15? Okay. Me call 81.
So I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you're drinking too much in a bar, you should not go sit in your car.
Probably not a good idea. Not in your car. Get a ride. Leave the property.
But if you're not going to leave, you just need to go sit. What do you do?
Why would you just want to sit in your car in a parking lot?
I would just sit in the back seat or the passenger seat. That's what I would do. Make sure I don't have the key in the ignition and not sit behind the steering wheel. I think then you have an argument that I went to sit in my car. I'm not able to drive. I'm under the influence. I had too much to drink, but I'm not sitting behind the steering wheel. I'm sitting in the back seat. I'm sitting in the passenger seat. I think there she has a point. She sat behind the steering wheel with the keys in the ignition. That by default means that you are in control of that vehicle. By default. That's just what it is.
I would probably just try to leave, like
No, I had no
without
intention
driving.
of leaving. I had no intention of leaving.
Didn't say you did.
What?
I didn't say you did.
But I'm just asking. So if you drink too much in a bar,
Okay.
what do you do? So
You can sit in your back seat or something. I wouldn't sit in the driver's seat with actual physical control of the vehicle.
Yeah, that's right.
It's probably better.
I'm just asking. I don't know.
Yeah, no problem. I wasn't here.
I'm actually blown away.
Okay, well, I wasn't here when you got encountered, so I have no idea. I can't speak on it.
I have made there's no one. I'm kind of blown away.
Okay.
So
Well,
I'm curious, very much so.
About 10:15. So you are being placed under arrest.
What?
For resisting without violence, like I warned you multiple times. How did that happen?
Because this is very scary. I've never ever had any kind of altercation with the police in my entire life.
Well, congratulations, you've had it today. And now you're going to jail. That's good. You've done well in life. I don't know.
So,
Do you remember me saying to you, all you have to do is give me your driver's license?
no, I did, but I didn't understand why sitting.
I'm going to explain it to you again. I explained it to you very clearly. All you have to do is give me your driver's license, and I will let you call somebody.
I did not
Hold
understand.
on. Hold that thought. I said I will let you call somebody to come get you. If you don't, when the other deputy comes on scene, you're going to be pulled out of the car, placed in handcuffs, and you're going to be charged with resisting.
That's what you said. She didn't care. She actually said she'll wait for the deputy to come.
Did you remember me saying all of that?
I did, but I did not
Okay.
understand why sitting in my car doing nothing.
It was explained to you 8 times.
behind you on the floor.
I did not understand why sitting in my car I was in trouble. I'm sorry.
Well, I explained it to you 7 times. Yes, I counted out loud every single time I explained it to you.
Yeah, she did explain 7 times. You didn't understand, or so you say. Now you're in cuffs. All you're doing.
Sorry.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Right there.
Oh, you're good.
I can write it, right? Just not that sign.
Yeah, just don't. Yeah.
And I just asked her, I said, hey, are you okay? And she said, yes. I'm like, look, you can't drive. You need to call somebody. And she just rolled up the window on me and waved her hand. And I'm like, oh, someone's coming. So.
Okay. All right.
That's a problem when you don't really know what you're doing, I think. Why? This guy tried to help her. She brushed him off. What can I say? It's your own doing.
All right. You raise your right hand. State your name. Do you state and attest that everything here is true to the best of your knowledge?
100%.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right. And then if you could sign right here. How are y'all doing? Perfect. Thank you. I'll have them come in. Do you want a case card with the number?
Sure, that's fine. I'll have to go help them get some food.
Yeah. All right. I'll just say. Okay. Perfect.
Okay. Thank you very much for coming out.
Of course.
They didn't really see anything.
I had
like
him.
so.
He just put that he saw her drinking at the bar at one point. So he saw her there, and then he saw her there. He sworn and tested, so I signed it.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah. I just got to change your name up here. That's all.
All right. If you got, I got his name, his date of birth. That's his card, so you have his other information.
Okay.
Yeah, of course.
Alright, come on up. 1, 2, 3.
We're going on this side. Watch your head when you.
All right, so let's stop the video here. She's now going to jail. On her way to jail for being drunk behind the steering wheel of a vehicle, in charge of that vehicle, not complying with the cops, and getting out. They wanted to get a lift back home. She refused. This is the end result. All are doing. Yeah, that's what happens. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and say in the comments. It does help us a lot. I'll see you in the next one.